What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's vlog we have an install, you guys. We're going to be installing carbon fiber canards, you guys, on the Pandem kit. Yes, I said it, and it is actually APR carbon fiber, which I am super stoked about because obviously if you guys haven't seen the video where we installed the 1 of 3 APR Pandem carbon fiber lips, definitely go ahead and check that out. I'll probably leave a link right here somewhere on the screen right now. But we were trying to attempt to cut out our own pieces of the canards that are on this kit. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you guys first time to the channel or whatever or whatnot, these pieces right here on the front bumper, on the side skirt, this big piece right here, along with this side piece right here. So we were trying to cut out our own pieces with APR carbon fiber. If you guys want to do something like this, you definitely can hit up APR, and they actually sell sheets of carbon fiber. You can kind of trace it out and cut it up however you would like, or if you just have a different car and you found yourself on this channel and you kind of want to do something similar but for your own car, you guys can definitely do that. We tried to attempt to do that, but it didn't really work out so well because my cuts just weren't very clean. And so when we took it to Cormotive to have them kind of clean it up and install them, David at Cormotive kind of was like, hey, we probably should just do this over again in a better way. So I definitely trust David a lot, especially when it comes to, you know, tedious stuff like this, because small things matter, right? I actually ended up reaching out to APR. They kind of hooked me up with these pieces. They don't do that normally, so very lucky that we were able to get that done. But what I will say is they honestly will just sell you the sheet and you guys can literally just cut it out yourselves. Anyways, we have the pieces right here. I haven't opened it up and looked at them yet. And now I will say this, which is really freaking cool, that I just am so thrilled and excited of, is that there's only one person that has this on their car, and it just so happens to be Ken Gucci. If you guys don't know who Ken Gucci is, he is a pro driver. He actually was one of the very few that had the APR Pandem lip on his 86. So I'm really stoked and just really grateful that we were actually able to come upon these pieces, because I think it just adds like a nice touch to the car, especially when you're kind of like walking up and you're like, yo, these aren't supposed to be carbon fiber. But anyways, let's go ahead, open this up. I really want to see how this looks and just, you know, the quality of it, and then we'll see if we need to make the holes or not. Not too sure if they kind of drilled out the holes. If they didn't, all right, we're gonna go ahead and take off the old ones, mock up the holes, and then drill out the holes, because before we install them, I actually wanted to get them PPF'd. I really want to protect these pieces as long as I possibly can because they mean a lot to me. It's super cool. We're literally like the only ones running these pieces on our car aside from Ken Gucci, and I think another 86 out there as well. The 2JZ 86 that is out there in the States has these pieces as well. But there's a backstory to how he got them with those ones. So if anything, we are like the legit like second people to have this. But like I said, you guys, not a lot of people even thought about doing this or running this. So I'm very grateful and excited. So really quickly, I just want to say big shout out to APR Lewis and APR Chris. I really appreciate you guys, and you guys know why. So thank you guys so much. Let's move forward and go ahead and check these pieces. I got them all unwrapped, and I gotta say, this is so freaking dope. Like, this is just like, it's like a producer like Metro Boomin adding his tag to like a dope beat, you know. It's just that branding that shows like, yo, this guy's got some nice quality carbon fiber here. And I just think it adds a nice touch, and it matches the theme of our car, which is also pretty dope. But look at how good this is, you guys. I'm gonna close in on it. I did not make cuts that this smooth. I can tell you guys that right freaking now. And I know that this part was also going to be quite a bit of a hassle to do. So yeah, definitely glad that we had some help on this. And you know, just kind of looking at this as well, mine were just so jagged and just didn't look like that. So anyways, as you guys can see, we don't have the holes drilled out. So we're gonna have to do that before we take it tomorrow. It's gonna make it a lot easier for the guys that are gonna be doing that tomorrow. Let's go ahead, take these off, and let's get started. I finally freaking got it mocked up with the points that we need to drill out. Pretty confident that we are in a good spot with those. So I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling these holes, and then we'll mock them up and make sure that they fit on there. I won't put them on just yet because I figure it would be easier for the shop to PPF them if they're not on there. So definitely I'll go ahead and just mock them up, see how they look, and then we'll go ahead and move on to them getting PPF'd at the shop tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get the drilling. Alright guys, so I drilled out all of the holes on the parts. Now I will say I was a little skeptical on this area right here. So as you guys can see, it is a little curved, right? And then these two holes, they're a little like slanted from each other. Like this one's a little bit higher. It kind of like comes down at an angle to this one. So I had to mock it up. I really wanted to make sure that I did it right and I didn't mess it up, because there's only one chance. Technically I'll have to drill the hole in, but for the most part it lines up. Definitely proud of myself because I didn't mess that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the originals back on, and then we'll go ahead and fast forward to us getting to the shop for them to get PPF, and we'll show you guys around a little bit, because they don't only do PPF, I believe they do other things there as well. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so it is currently the next day and we are here at Innovative Auto Works, where they do tons of various things, PPF, wrap, etc., stuff like that. So we're gonna go in there, get these parts wrapped and PPF'd, make it safe and sound. I'm gonna feel so much better once I know that they'll be protected for at least a good while. So I have never been here before. I did talk to the guys here on Instagram and stuff like that. Just like anywhere else, you guys, if we go there for the first time, I don't ever really like going in and just going in with the camera first thing. So I'm gonna go in there, introduce myself, and say what's up and see what their deal is, and then we'll try to get some clips and kind of, you know, see what it is they exactly do and what they can do for you guys as well. So like I said, finally got in here and you know, made our introductions. So now we actually are in the back. Our guys over here currently starting to wrap everything. I really like these lights over here. Like, this always sets like a vibe. This is Son. You guys can hit them up for all your needs right here at Innovative Auto Works. They do tint, they do wrap, they do chrome deletes, and you can get ceramic and a couple other things too, by the way. So he's really good at that. And they're currently getting me right now, so very excited to like throw these on. The fact that we're just gonna have it protected just makes me feel so much better about having it on, you guys. Can't wait to show you guys what it's gonna look like when I put it on. I know it's gonna add a lot of finesse to it, so big shout out to my boy San. He said anybody that comes through and uses what, my code?
YouTube name, Instagram
says my YouTube name, my Instagram at Desmond Simmons or at AyoDez, you guys will get 20% off?
20% off.
20% off. That's actually a big chunk off of you guys' payment. So definitely come by,
or
say what's up.
The red car too.
Yeah, or the red 86.
The red 86.
Yeah, with the yellow headlights. No, that's dope, man. I really appreciate that. Hopefully you guys come by and get something done, because that's actually a really sweet deal, you guys. So definitely take advantage of that. I definitely would if I was you guys. All right, guys, so we are back home. We got the parts PPF'd and they're on the car now. So I think right now is the perfect time to do a little bit of montage and to get these parts some spotlight. They look so freaking good, you guys. Are you guys ready? 1, 2. I hope you guys liked that little bit of montage, you guys. They look so freaking good, you guys. Like, when you're up close in person, it makes so much of a freaking difference. I really like the APR sticker on the side skirts. I really think that it adds a little bit of finesse to the car, you know, and just kind of brands it, you know, lets you know, hey, this is APR carbon fiber, along with our APR lip and our APR GT3 mirrors. So you guys, I am so grateful. Big shout out to APR. I really appreciate you guys. Like I said, if you guys wanted to do something like this, you guys can buy a sheet of APR carbon fiber from APR. They sell that. I didn't know until I was told, so definitely if you guys are trying to do that, you guys definitely can. And big shout out to Innovative Auto Works for PPFing the car, you guys. Like I said earlier in this video, if you guys go to their shop and you guys mention my name, you guys get 20% off on wraps, tint, and like chrome deletes, you guys. So definitely utilize that if you guys are in the Southern California area. Montclair is where the shop is at. I hope you guys really liked this install, you guys, because I am so thrilled that we are, like, I guess technically like 1 out of 3. Technically, there's a story behind that, but I'm not too sure if I'm allowed to tell it. But obviously the other person that has these exact carbon fiber parts is Kangushi, you guys. And so being that close to somebody of that, you know, that level, and having those kind of parts and not really other people kind of running them, just makes me feel like, I don't know, it just makes me feel good, you know, like, to have parts like that. I've already seen other people and other YouTubers have like really rare parts, so it's cool that we're able to put that into our build, you guys. So if you guys like this part, definitely leave a comment down below what you guys think. Would you guys run the carbon, or would you guys run the original pieces? I want to know what you guys think. So we definitely have a couple things coming up. If anything, I kind of want to say we're honestly partially sponsored by APR, because obviously we're having all these APR carbon bits, and we actually have some more on the way. So I don't want to reveal what they are just yet, you guys, but make sure you guys are in tune, because we are going to be installing them before SpokeCom Anaheim, which is going to be August 12th, you guys. If you guys want to come out and see some of the new installs, see the car if you guys haven't yet, come say what's up to me. I will be there with Team Gifted Lifestyles, you guys. So it's going to be a great event. I've heard many good things about it, and I personally haven't been yet, so I'm pretty excited about that. So that's all I really got for this episode, you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. If this is you guys' first time to the channel, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. We are growing every single day. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and this build, you guys. It means so much to me, you guys. The vision is coming to life, you know. It's like my expression, my art, my vision, you know. So anyways, that's all I got for this episode, you guys. Make sure you guys live long and prosper. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.